I'm Ben, and I'm going on the Eiffel Tower today. 3 times as big as the Kings Island one.
Which you've been on, right?
Yeah, I've been on that 2 times.
Does it look up there? Does it look big and scary, or are you like not very scared?
I'm not really scared, but it's bigger than it looks.
Yeah, it looks gigantic. So we already have tickets, so we're not in the without tickets line. Uh-oh, people are switching. We bought our tickets online, so we're going to the left side here. Avec billet with ticket. All right, look up. Tell me if you're getting nervous.
Nah.
A little bit. Say a little bit.
Nah.
Not at all?
No.
Yes.
We just went through security, and there's actually free toilets, free bathrooms up here to the left, right under, so you don't have to pay or anything. But now we're right under the Eiffel Tower, and is it looking a little bigger now that we're right under it?
It looks bigger, but I'm not scared.
So look at this, one leg is sitting just on this one piece of concrete right here. How deep do you think that is into the ground that it's supporting all that?
Probably 100 miles.
Yeah, there's no cracks in it though, look. So I think now we got to figure it out. Our tickets are for 2 o'clock, so 1400, and then this is the line, and it's got a corral, and right at the end, behind this guy's head, it says 1400 on that sign, so that's how you'll know where you're supposed to be waiting. This is the line so far for 2 o'clock or 1400, and we're directly under the thing right now. No, it's getting real now. We're in.
Okay, so we are in the elevator. We are now started to heading up, and we are going to be at the tippity top of the Eiffel Tower, actually. The wheels are right there.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Pulling us up. Oh wow, that is a long way down.
Angled ramp.
Yep. We have stopped at the first level. I'll see you at the top.
Oh, okay. So this, hold on, come on, show me here. This is as high as Kings Island's
Ooh, I want to see it.
So this is Kings Island's level right here. And it's still, I don't know, I think this is pretty high already.
John, can I see it after him?
And it goes all the way up to there. And we're about to go up there.
Mom.
All right, so are you scared at this height? Still no?
No, I've been as tall as this.
Yeah, this is Kings Island's Eiffel Tower level.
Okay, I might get a little scared.
Okay, so we got to change elevators to get to the very top, and Mama is very nervous. She's not doing very well. She might need to hit another bathroom. Here's, I mean, this is just 300 and something feet up. Like you can see you can see the whole city. And I got these little telescopes. And look, yeah, there's a match going on right now, or at least practice. That's really cool.
Scrimmage.
Good find. And here's a little pro tip, is that there's 2 lines. There's one on each side, and they both go to the same elevator. And look how long that one is over there compared to the one that we're in. So definitely look for both sides of the line and pick the shortest one, because we're going to get on a lot faster than if we were waiting in this line over here. Here it goes.
So we, I think, are going to the top now.
We are. Top.
Yep, top, I think. I think there's might be one more
No,
level,
we're
but
going to the top. This is all the
Okay.
way.
She is terrified right now.
Yes, I am.
She's terrified.
Let's see. I gotta get her face.
I have my eyes closed right now.
Okay, fair enough. We're not that high. I don't know if holding on to this is gonna help.
I know, it helps me.
Here we go.
Okay, Mom, we're totally safe and don't freak out, but we are totally high.
We are very, it's like being in the Sears Tower.
It's higher than that.
All right, let's go to the open air part.
Second level.
Yeah, we just don't have to take the elevator to it. This is the top.
Oh my my gosh.
Yep, we're like in the clouds. Yeah, look, you can stick your hand out.
Yeah.
Ooh.
If you drop that GoPro, I'm gonna be so mad at
The
you.
GoPro would not survive that.
And when you put it in, you hit the button.
Put it in, yeah, I would say put it in, hit the button. All right, is it working?
Yeah.
You can see, what do you see?
I see tons of buildings.
Yeah, there's lots of buildings, that's for sure.
I see clouds.
Look, there's an Olympic right down here on that building right there. There's the Olympic rings.
I know.
We found something to calm Mama's nerves down a little bit.
Your least favorite thing.
Oh, yeah. All right, do you feel better now though, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now that you're here?
Yes.
It's the slow elevator that's really, I even felt it a little bit.
Yeah,
Were you a little nervous on the slow elevator?
Yeah, it's slow and it makes a lot of creaky noises.
The tower reached the height of 324 meters after the work carried out. Oh, so they put an antenna on it.
It has railroad tracks. Well, it used to.
Yeah.
Real guys. They used to
Yeah.
be here.
There's too much glare. Check this out, this is interesting. His daughter Claire, Gustav Eiffel built a small apartment on top of Eiffel Tower. This was the designer's apartment. And there's, I guess that's his daughter.
You see, shares
Back
a
here.
visit by Thomas Edison on September 10th.
Oh, that's Thomas Edison in there. It looked like, I thought it might look like Thomas Edison.
Down, down, down to the bottom
Ooh.
of the sea.
I felt it a little bit in my stomach. Did you feel it in your stomach?
Yeah. If you watch SpongeBob, you'll probably know this song. Down, down, down to the bottom of the sea. If you watch SpongeBob, comment below.
All right, so on the way down, we got off on the first stop, which is the gift shop and restaurant. And this is all open air too. This is pretty cool. So here's the gift shop. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Gold, different sizes, gold Eiffel Towers. And then you can see down. Oh, it's one of those clear. No, it's not it's not very clear, but you can see down. See down on everybody in the middle. And then over here's the little cafe restaurant. That'd be a pretty cool place to eat, overlooking Paris. And if you walk down, you get this view of this fake elevator operator on the outside of the lifts. And this is the lift that takes you down to the ground. Okay, so from the second level, we decided to actually walk down and not take the elevator. So we're gonna end this video, but I'm gonna take this time to give one massive pro tip. And the pro tip is always look for, if the line is long that you're in, look for a second line. There's 2 lines for everything, and one's usually very, very short. There was 2 lines for security, there was 2 lines to get your tickets read, there was 2 lines for all of the lifts that we took, so definitely look for a second line if you're in a really, really long line. All right, on the walk, Ben, you have anything to say?
Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like.
Thank you.
Peace out.